Hello, my friends. This is Mark from TWIM. Now, this is going to be quite a short video. I just wanted to let you guys know how to change ChatGPT so that it sounds like you. Now, AI hit us by storm, and if I'm honest, it took me maybe a month to really understand how to use ChatGPT in my business. Now, once I figured that out, I was able to, unfortunately for her, I was able to get rid of one of my content writers because if you know how to set ChatGPT up correctly, then you are going to not get these kind of answers that don't sound like you. Because if you're creating content, you want it to sound like you, of course. Now, let me jump to my screen. So, I've just created an article which you can check on my website. Just click the link below, you'll go to my website and you'll see this article. Now, I did not do anything. I didn't change anything in this article. All I did was I put it onto a Word document. I asked for two different copies and I preferred this one. So all I did was just make some spacing because sometimes ChatGPT will put two sentences together and I don't like that. That's not the way that I write or put content on my website. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to just go to ChatGPT. You want to go up here, top right corner where your name is, and click Customize ChatGPT. Now, this for me is when everything changed with ChatGPT and it became a must-have tool. And if you're not using it for your business, you should be, guys. I mean, it really is incredible. Now, as I said at first when I used it, I was like, those big sentences, those big words, that's just not me. And I had to go through and change it all. And I realized, you know what? It actually is taking me more time to change this than it would be to write an article. And then I discovered this part, the customized ChatGPT part. So basically what it is you can tell ChatGPT about yourself, and you can, even have it, you can say to how you want it to speak to you. So even though I've said for ChatGPT to call me Mark, it calls me mate very regularly. But I think that's because when I write something, let me just jump here. So I write like, hi mate, as though I'm speaking to somebody. So that's probably why ChatGPT replies to me, no problem, mate. See, it says here, got it, mate. Here's your 600-word article. So, it's almost like talking to a person once you customize ChatGPT. And it's very easy. I'm not going to go through every single thing and read everything that I put there. But I put, call me Mark. What do I do? And I am an online marketer full time. What traits should ChatGPT have? So if you don't know what traits mean, you can just hold your mouse over the little eye and it'll tell you, you can tell ChatGPT to do things like use a formal professional tone, be casual and chatty, be opinionated. If a question could have multiple answers, try to give only the best one. So basically, I just wrote here, like when I ask you to write a review or an article for my website or YouTube channel, description, or any other I would like you to use as simple terminology as possible. Nothing too complicated or technical, because that's how I speak, and I want my readers to think that it is me that is writing the articles and reviews. Now, I'm probably, people maybe now are like, oh, damn, I read on your website and I thought it was you. No, it was ChatGPT, but it was my prompt that made ChatGPT write like that. So again, I just put more information. I said, you can call me Mark again. If I ask you to do a review, I'll tell you it should be positive, very positive, or just neutral, giving the facts. And so you just can tell it exactly. Basically, I would say this is like an about you section. That's what I would say. Put in who you are, put in what you do, put in your name, put in what you like, put in, what you would like ChatGTP to treat you as. And you can put in there to ChatGTP, I'm a king, or I'm a prince, or I'm a rock star. I want you to call me that. I want you to treat me like that. And it will, if you are so inclined to do that. There's also, of course, some little that helps you here. So Gen Z, no, not me. I've already put in everything but I can add straight shooting. So you just click and these will be added to it as well. Now, anything else ChatGTP should know about you. And this is basically, again, like if you like something in particular or you don't like something, you just put it in here. Now, I'm not going to show you, or you can see this if you pause it, I guess. Again, this is just about me and about the projects that I do and what I need ChatGTP for. And once you've done that, you just click save, and boom. When you go now to ChatGTP, if you've not already done this, you will be amazed because it's just going to sound like you. Now, along the way, maybe you'll want to add a few things. Maybe, ChatGTP, for example, puts, I don't know, makes too many bullet points. You can just put up here, again, into customize ChatGTP and write, please don't put bullet points. I don't use bullet points. I don't want you to put them into my article, my YouTube description, my social media post, and it will not. So, you kind of get to know your ChatGTP, if that makes sense. And once you do, it is the most powerful tool that you can get, and it's completely free. So anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video, guys, how to change ChatGTP custom instructions and why you should. All right. Thanks for watching. Remember to give it a like and a subscribe. Any questions, stick them below. And I always answer every comment. And if you want to see the full article, click the link in the description. I'll go to my website and you can see the full article with 0 changes from me. All right. Again, thanks for watching. This is Mark. Take care.